I want to thank my sister for the beautiful garden signs she sent me for Mother's Day. Look at them. They some metal signs that I can write on, and they say the ink won't wash off. I can wipe them off with alcohol, but see how long they're gonna last here. Looking good. My bell peppers here, and all my cucumbers growing here. Look at all those yellow flowers everywhere. And I got my corn growing here. Got my sign for my corn, my green beans. Okay, looking nice. My zucchini and my green beans over here. White onions and carrots growing over here. Look like these carrots are taking over my little onion bed. Eggplant. Okay. Got squash and zucchini growing over here. Now everybody gonna know what's growing in these containers with these beautiful signs. Tomatoes growing over here. My asparagus. I know my handwriting don't look too good. I gotta clean this little garden bed over here out with my asparagus. Over here, yellow squash. Look at the squash growing. Okay, yellow squash. Spaghetti squash growing here. Okay, spaghetti squash. Looking good. Yeah, my avocado tree growing over here. I brought it over here in the shaded area because it needs some shade from all, it can't have all that direct sun beaming down on it. And this summer the heat would have been burning it out. So I put it over here in this corner with this tree here shading it, helping it to stay a little cooler. So come on, avocado tree, grow for us. Over here, yellow squash. Yay, yellow squash. Yellow squash growing. Come on, yellow squash. My blueberries over here. My kiwi fruit plant here. Red onions. I'll be pulling these up soon. Got my pomegranate over here. Okay, pomegranate. Pomegranate tree. I had a lot of blooms on it early spring, and then the little storm came through and blew all my little blooms off. Gotta start over. Come on, pomegranate. Over here we have peppers. Yes, peppers. Come on, peppers. Shishito peppers, bell peppers, red peppers. Got a little kale over in here too. I see you growing there. Come on, peppers, get big for me. Come on. Peppers. Another eggplant over here. See a lot of blooms on you. Come on, eggplant, grow, grow, grow. Okay, some nice signs. Yes, they are. Thank you, sis, for the beautiful garden signs.